Hi Year 2, it's Miss Doherty again. I hope you found yesterday's video helpful. Today we are going to be moving on to adding two-digit numbers again, but slightly different to yesterday. Yesterday we didn't have to do any regrouping, we didn't have to do any particularly taxing mental calculations. Today is going to be a little bit trickier. It will still be very doable and I have confidence that you'll be fine. Things first, let's use some deans. So yesterday when we were using deans, we were adding the tens first and then the ones. So we're going to have a go at that again. I've got 27 here and 35 here. So I'm going to add my tens first. So I've got two tens or 20. And then I've got three tens or 30. And altogether that makes 50 or 5 tens, 50. Then I need to add my ones. Here's my 7 ones. And here's the other 5 ones. What do you notice that's different to yesterday? If you said that the ones go over 10, then that is the difference. So yesterday, we didn't have any regrouping. Today, we do have some regrouping. And if you remember, regrouping is where we have 10 ones that has to become 1 10. So there are my 10 ones. So I've got 5 tens here, or 50, and another 10 here. And 5 tens add another 10 is 60. And then I have 2 ones here, 62. You could have also done this as 50, add 12, and you would have still got 62. Let's do another example. So I have 46, add 38. What's my first step? You're right, my first step is to add the tens. So I have 4 tens, or 40, add 3 tens, or 30, and altogether that makes 70, or 7 tens, 70. Now I need to move my ones and add my ones together. So I've got 6 ones here, and I've got 8 ones here. Again, I've got these 10 ones, these extra 10 ones that make another 10. So over here where I have 70, I now have 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Now, I didn't have to work out that this was a group of 10. I could have just added this 14 to the 70. We're going to do that a little bit now. So 36 add 28 equals what? Step 1 is add the tens. Just like yesterday, we're going to add the tens first. My tens are 30 and 20. And those are the tens because that's 3 lots of 10 and 2 lots of 10. Altogether, that makes how many tens? It makes 5 tens, or 50. Well done. Step number 2 is to add the ones. I've got 6 ones and I've got 8 ones, so I'm going to add those together. 6 add 8 is equal to 14. Well done. If you don't know 6 add 8 off the top of your head, then I suggest you practice your addition on numbots because we need to get to the point by the end of year 2 where we know our addition facts off the top of our head. Okay, step number 3 is to add our answers, and we got 50 and we got 14. Now you'll know that when we add tens to a 2-digit number, the ones don't change. So we're adding these 5 tens onto 1 10 and 4 ones, which gives us 64. Or you could have broken the 14 down into 10 and 4 and done 50, add 10, add 4, and you would have still got 64. Okay? Right, we're going to do another example. 49 add 16 is equal to what? Right, I'd like you to tell me what the first step is, please. The first step is to add the tens. And what are my numbers? What tens do I have to add together, please? 40, add 10. And what is 40 add 10? What's 10 more than 40? It's 50. Well done, year 2. What's step number 2? Step number 2 is to add the ones. So I have 9 ones and 6 ones. 9 add 6. If you don't know 9 and 6 off the top of your head, you could add 1 from the 6 to make 10, and then you've got 10 add 5. 10 add 5 we know is 15. And the third step, please? Yes, the third step is to add your answers together. And what numbers do we have to add together? 50 add 15, well done. And 50 add 15 is 65. So that means that 49 add 16 is equal to, yes, you're right, 65. Now, I know that breaking it down into 3 steps might seem like a really long process, but eventually you'll be able to do this in your head. You won't need to break it down into the 3 steps, step by step. You'll know that if you did 49 add 16, you would add the 10s, add the 1s, and then add them all together. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go at using that method. Let me know how you get on. Have a great day.